I'm Mountain Trader here. I just want to do a quick recap of today's trades. The video was pretty long, so I thought it'd just be easier to do it this way. I will try to post the actual live trades when I get a chance. And so coming into the market today, we really tried to just be a little bit more under control. And ironically, if you watch yesterday's video, you can see that we took a very similar trade to start today. So yesterday we got the big drop right back down into the same zone. I bought the bounce here yesterday and it popped right back up to my line and I was up really nice. And I got greedy and I didn't take it and it came all the way back down and stopped me out for a big loss. And I just frustrated that I didn't take the profit. I kind of got really aggressive and it ended up working out for me, but it wasn't the greatest trading and I put on way too much risk on a small account. Today, we had the same move right down into this consolidation area. If you look to the left, you can see there's just a lot of consolidation in this area, and I liked the bounce there. And just because it didn't work yesterday doesn't mean it wasn't going to work today. So as you can see, I took a short, I added here, we're a reasonable size, and we got the bounce right back up to my line. And today, as you can see, I covered, took it and had a nice winner for, through $400, whatever it was. And of course, yesterday I didn't cover here because I wanted this move and it came back and stopped me out. Today I covered where I was supposed to, according to my plan. I could have left one contract on for this move, but then, just the way the market is, today we get that big move up. So, it was a little bit frustrating, but I was happy to be green on the day. And then we came into here, we got the pullback. I bought the dip, we got a little push up. I added, and then we got the push up and I was up nice, but I wanted to see a little bit more action. We pulled back and I just covered break even on that trade, or maybe a small little loser, but nothing too crazy. And then let's see, we had a couple trades in here where it was just a little bit choppy. We were trying to build a position and we got chopped out a few times. But we did have one more trade when we pulled back to this area. I tried to get filled right here. You can see I got filled right here, a little bit off. And then we just covered for the quick pop. It was just a quick scalp. And then the same thing here, we're consolidating. I took a quick short here and just covered for the drop. Not trying to get, the huge move today. I just wanted to have a green day, keeping my risk under control. And I was able to do that. So sorry I don't have the live trade recorded. Well, I do have it recorded, but I just don't have time to sift through it right now. But really, this was the best trade of the day, averaging into this consolidation zone to this line here and covering on the pop. Of course, in hindsight, had a huge move all the way up to here. It could have been a huge winner. And that's what I was thinking yesterday, and it came all the way back down here against me. I wasn't going to let that happen again. So, it is what it is. But a decent day of trading. I do like this area right here that we're in. We might be able to catch a quick live trade here. We'll see.
Order filled.
We'll give it a chance here. Just one contract, nothing crazy. I'm not going to risk ruining my whole day at this time, but I do like this pivot area here, and we'll see if we can get some momentum and go back up to the highs here. Up a point, $50 right now. Just kind of one of those grindy days in the market. Still have all-time highs up above. This could continue to sell off, back down to here, and then come back later. Who knows? This market's been in such a tight range, but I do like this trade here. I would have liked to got in a little bit lower, but if it works, it works. If not, we'll just jump out. Try to catch at least one live trade today while we're doing this recap here. The volume's pretty low. But a lot of time on these low volume days, the easiest path to resistance with low volume is up. So I don't mind this little pullback trade here. I'm just not going to give it too much time. I got other things I need to do. And so if we just start chopping around here, I may just jump out. Again, it's only one contract. I'll tell you what, I'm going to pause this recording and I'll come back and we'll see how this trade works out. All right, guys, as you can see, we stopped out right here below the lows. I still like it a little bit, but we'll see. The volume's just really light. We're still at 585 on the day. We only had one contract. It's not something I was going to add to as it was going against me.